So my name's Matt Heaton, I'm the Technical Training Manager for United Utilities. So you can hear it's a bit noisy, it's always a hive of activity in Bolton because all of our apprentices are actually doing the work that they'd be doing out on the site. So the first part we look at is our mechanical training area. We've got a range of machinery in here including lathes, milling machines, pillar drills. So what we'd expect these guys to do is actually they'd be fixing pumps on site, they'd be fixing valves, they'd be fabricating new equipment and welding. And we teach all that in here during year one of the apprenticeship. So once they've learnt their trade, they can actually go out on site and work with experienced mechanics to actually practice their trade a bit more. Okay, take you around to the next bit. So we've got a lot of electricians have to work for UU to fix a lot of our panels, a lot of our electrical equipment. So if you look at the booths, when you're an apprentice, you have a completely empty booth, and the idea is that you'll build it like the one we're looking at now, and you'll learn how to work all your hand fitting techniques, all the machinery you'd be expected to use, all the tools, fix enclosures and support systems onto the walls, do all your wiring, and at the end you'd have a fully working electrical booth. This is Tony, one of our electrical trainers. How's it going, Tony? A bit further along, this is our chlorine area. Now chlorine is quite a dangerous chemical that we need to use to treat our water on our water treatment works. This is powered by compressed air. So what our process controllers can do when they come to Bolton is actually learn the skills that they need, but in a safe environment without actually causing any harm to themselves and without using chlorine gas. So what we're doing here is teach our instrumentation apprentices. Now what instrumentation is basically all the brains behind all the plant that we have on our treatment works and on our network. We need to take lots of flow measurements, all that kind of thing. So what these panels do, we'd ask our apprentice to start from scratch. They would build this panel up from scratch and program all the programs that they need to make all our pumps work and all our valves work. Now what we're going to show you now is the confined space training area. So what these guys are doing here is setting up to enter a confined space as part of their training course. So make sure that the tripod's set up correctly, they've all got the right equipment on, they're all wearing harnesses. And now what's through that manhole there is a 3-metre drop into the basement of the training centre. Once they get down into the basement, there's a 30-metre rat run over 2 levels where they'll be able to crawl through, and they'll be in a realistic confined space, just like they'd be out on site, but again in a safe environment. If anybody panics, they don't like it, we can go into the basement and open some big doors and let them out. Okay, what we have in this far wall here is our mechanical pipe rig that's got water flowing through it at all times. So may not be an exact replica of what you'd see on site, but what we've tried to do here is fit as many different pipework materials, pipe sizes, different valves, different instruments. So what we can do here with our apprentices is not only have them practicing fitting pipework together, but also we can put holes in this, we can have leaks on it, you can practice your craft in a safe environment, but actually while you're getting wet, but while you're quite safe. There. So you don't get lost, if you look on the floor, we have a map. So this will show you how to get to each classroom, how to get to each practical training area as well. And last but not least, and possibly you might say most importantly, is our breakout room. So this is where all our apprentices can come to get away from it all, have the dinner, have a break and make a brew. So I hope you've really enjoyed your tour of the training centre, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.